They are picketing against the bill, saying it's a direct attack against Africans' education, which will have extremely negative consequences for quality education in African single-medium schools and ultimately for all South African schools. The organization wants the bill revised.
If this bill is passed without any amendments, then we will approach the courts and argue from our constitutional rights on mother language freedom and mother language education that this bill is in fact unconstitutional.
The youth says it is going to leave young Africans people angry.
It's almost an insane bill. It's insane to think about it, that the government wants this amount of power over our children even, what they are educated, what they are learning, in what language they are learning it. That's why we are wearing these the I am a donkey posters here today at the Union building to say we are not donkeys, we are not stupid, we are seeing this power grab for what it is, and we are not going to stand for it.
Whether they go to court or not, it will not make a difference to us. We know that these matters have already been ventilated in the courts. So the BELA Bill and some of the provisions that are there have come about as a result of some of the court rulings that have been there that the department needs to adhere to.
The BELA Bill proposes significant amendments to the South African Schools Act, SASA, of 1996 and the Educators Employment Act of 1998, among others, making grade R the new compulsory school starting age instead of grade 1. It also seeks to criminalize parents who fail to ensure that their children attend school, as well as regulating home education. The bill has stirred up controversy and criticism from opposition parties as well as civil society groups, but others have welcomed it.
The bill has no intention of sidelining factions of the community. School policies have the potential to exclude learners and perpetuate historical discrimination. Section 27 welcomes the possibility of the HOD to review the SGB's admission and language policies. However, the HOD should provide reasons for its decision overriding a policy.
While we don't condone or we don't want the criminalization parts of it in there, we generally support the BELA Bill in terms of having it go forward. It's an incredibly delayed response to the update of education law.
The Department of Basic Education earlier estimated that implementing this provision would require a staggering 16 billion rand. Another 12 billion rand would be needed for infrastructure, with 4 billion rand budgeted for staffing. Mulimo Nemuto, SABC News, Pretoria.